Hey everyone, welcome back. It is, I don't know, October 22nd, 23rd, something like that, 22nd I think. It's been a while since we made a video, and other than the live stream, that is, we pretty much, I've been pretty much working non-stop since the last show. So anyways, finally getting around to digging out. I think I got 7 or 8 stumps down here where we did all this brush clearing. Gonna use the 41 case SC, hook a chain on, and see if we can't get these stumps out of the ground so I don't have to mow around all of these stumps. So let's see what we can do. I'll kind of give you a tour. I got 2 left to dig out. I've been digging for the last couple hours, but we got one up on the hill here. They're not very large, but they're definitely big enough to mess up the mower. There's another one down here.
Wow, what a hole.
Another one over here. Another one back this way. Actually, there's a pair of them here. I dug under one of them, but this bigger one has a bunch of funky roots coming off it, so I'm hoping that these two are kind of connected, and if I can rip that one up, it'll free up this other one a little bit. This one here I've still yet to dig around. This is a fairly large one. And then this one here, there's actually 2 of them right here. So hopefully those 2 are connected in sync. And I just noticed, but there's one that's, where is it? It's somewhere around here. It's over here somewhere. Well, whatever. Yeah. It's there. Yeah. So thank you. We're gonna see if we can hook onto these and start getting them out of the ground. Oh, it is recording. All right. 4 of them.
Oh, you can count. Good for you.
You know how to drive a stick?
Both of you shut up!
Well, it's a day later, and what a difference a day can make. I didn't get all the stumps that we pulled on video. I got a few of them. I think I pulled 8 or 9, and I probably recorded, I don't know, 4 or 5 of them maybe. I don't know. But none of them were real big. They were just cut low to the ground, and you know, a little forethought would have went a long ways. If I would have known that I had the desire to turn that area that I cleared into a grassy area, I would have left the stumps probably 18 to 24 inches high so that I could hook onto them and just drag them out. And instead, I had cut them down 2 inches above the ground, so then I had to dig down around the stumps and get underneath them with the chain and rip them out that way, which was probably a more effective method, because if I needed to break bigger roots, I could just hook onto a root and break the root and then pull the stump. But I didn't really have to do that with any of those, maybe one of them. But anyways, yeah, I don't know. I thought I'd make a video because I haven't made one in quite a while, since basically since the since the threshing shows. So it's been probably a month, other than the live stream. It's been probably a month, but I'll tell you, it was it's a lot of work to chase a 3-year-old around and keep her safe at the threshing shows, and you know, even here at home when I'm trying to do stuff in the yard. But it's a lot of work trying to do that and see things and film and still possibly try to operate something or get on something, and it's a lot of work. I can't wait for the days where, you know, she can, I'm not wishing time away by any means, but I can't wait for her to be able to be a little more self-sufficient and safety conscious and everything. But she's 3, so it is what it is right now, and I'm enjoying every second of it. So anyways, with that, we've got some progress made on Hyatt's Case RC, so stay tuned for that video because it's probably going to be coming up within the next week or two. Just depends on, you know, my overtime and working at Rudy's and where in the schedule I can fit filming in. So anyways, with that, I'm going to leave you with a special message from somebody, so stay tuned and we'll talk to you guys later. All right?
Say hi.
Hi!
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching!
Say thank you.
Thank you!
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye!